In this video, we'll be covering the installation process for the Carrot 3000 Special Purpose Child Restraint. The first thing to highlight for the installation of the Carrot 3000 is that it must always be used with the vehicle seatbelt, which is always used in the same way, regardless of the configuration or the accessories that are being used. For correct installation of the Carrot 3000, the vehicle seatbelt must be used over the top of the child and the restraint. The upper section of the seatbelt must pass through the red belt guide located at the side of the head support. The belt can be fed through this belt guide as shown. The lower section of the seatbelt should pass through the red belt guide on the side of the seat closest to the seatbelt origin. The vehicle seatbelt should then pass over the child and the restraint, with both sections of the seatbelt passing through the red belt guide on the opposite side of the seat base, before being buckled into the receiver. Take care to ensure that the seatbelt is not twisted and that the path is not interrupted unintentionally. Care should also be taken to ensure that excess slack from the vehicle seatbelt has been removed. The Carrot 3000 is supplied as standard with 2 fixing straps for the restraint. Using these straps is optional for installation, but it's recommended to provide stability during transfers. These straps are installed by passing them around the vehicle seat and securing in place. The straps are then tightened by pulling on the loose section of the strap as shown. There are a number of accessories that are available for the Carrot 3000, which can also be used as part of the installation process. It is not mandatory that any of these accessories are used, but if prescribed, they should be installed as per the user manual. And there we have it, a perfectly installed Carrot 3000 Special Purpose Restraint.